Hello guys and girls, it's my pleasure to welcome you once again to my YouTube channel. Now on my last 3 to 4 videos, I have been uploading my videos of trading using very small real accounts and achieving very big results trading them. Now on this real account today, I just deposited about $100 and I was able to grow it to almost $1,000 trading in just a month. Guys and girls, is it easy? Definitely not. Is it possible? Yes, it is 100% possible. I have done it. You too can do it. Guys and girls, what you are seeing here is 5 years of experience trading forex markets. On those 5 years, I'm going to be crystal clear with you. It was a really painful journey with a lot of drawbacks. A matter of fact, I spent 2 years out of 5 not being profitable at all. 2 years of constant depositing money to the broker and never to withdraw my funds. It came even to a point where I started to question if forex trading is even real, or is it just some random online scam or a pyramid scheme, until when I came to a forex trading session or seminar in my country a couple years back, where I remember I sat behind this really hot girl, and at one point she took out a phone to monitor how our trades were going on her MetaTrader, and with my own 2 eyes I saw 10,000 profits, running profits on her phone, and it was a real account. I proved it with my 2 eyes, and what surprised me was that she was way too cool, as if nothing was going on her phone. Remember, at that time I was just a marine engineering student living on government higher education students loans of just $250 per month. Seeing people making $10,000 effortlessly as if it's nothing changed my mindset completely that day. That chick, I can say she was an angel sent to me that day, and since that day I have never been the same. I started to spend hours back testing different strategies, and I remember, if not mistaken, on the last quarter of year 2 of trading, I came across this powerful strategy. By then, that strategy was trading by using indicators, MACD, and some moving averages. I do not fully remember, but that was the case. During that time, I had grew $10 to almost $100 using that powerful strategy by then. And guys and girls, that was my first time growing an account by 10 times, and I was like, wow, I have to share this with the world right away. And I did. A matter of fact, I made a video of it, and the video link can be found in the description below if you'd like to check it out. So I traded it around a year, until I came to realize that price action is the key, and shifted my trading style to price action. The only advice that I can give you right now is, if you're not successful yet in forex trading, is do not give up. Prioritize your development. Take a step back from trading markets and realize that maybe you're not ready yet. Spend that time on practicing instead. In fact, how many hours this week did you spend going over individual skills and trying to improve them, perfecting your technique and form? Whatever you answered, it's not enough. Do more. 2 years of trading as an optimized professional world-class trader will bring you better results than 10 years of mediocre, hit and miss, inconsistent trading. And trust me guys and girls, I have seen both. If you want that life in 10 years rather than being stuck in the same situation you are in right now, it's time to get to work. It's time to practice. It's time to grind. It's time to put up with the frustration and emotional strain, and it's time to get on track. Your success in trading won't come from just opening trades. It will come from being a great trader. So that's what you need to start working at, becoming a great trader.